How about I show you a simple and highly effective way to sync your audio and video using the PluralEyes extension directly inside Adobe Premiere Pro without launching the PluralEyes app itself? Yes, you heard that right. No round tripping, no exporting and re-importing, just fast, clean syncing right inside Premiere Pro. Ready? Come with me. Obi's Studio right here, and you're welcome to the channel. Let's dive right in. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and import all your video clips and the separately recorded audio files that you want to sync. Next, drag all your video clips into the timeline. After that, place your recorded audio clips underneath them, just like this. Now go to the window menu at the top of Premiere Pro and click on Extensions. Note, if you already have PluralEyes installed and the Extensions tab in Premiere Pro is enabled, you should see it listed there. However, if your Extensions tab is grayed out, not to worry, pause this video right now and click the link showing at the top right corner of your screen to watch my earlier video tutorial on how to fix a grayed out Premiere Pro extensions panel. Once your extensions panel is active just like this one, click the drop down arrow and select PluralEyes. Now here's where the magic happens. Because with this PluralEyes extensions window open, you can sync all your video and audio clips directly on your timeline without sending anything to the standalone PluralEyes app and back again. Before clicking Synchronize, click this little blue arrow to reveal the advanced settings. Check the options that match your workflow. Once you're ready, click Synchronize and let PluralEyes do its thing. And just so you know, I'm letting this run in real time so you can see just how fast it is. When it's done, you will see the message Sync Complete. Go ahead and close the window and review your newly synced sequence. And voila! There you have it. Your video and audio are perfectly aligned using the PluralEyes extension inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Fast, simple, efficient. If this video has been helpful, do let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up to help with the algorithm and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.